The electronic medical record system at the state's prisons has been malfunctioning.
As KITV4's Ariel Argel reports, without a working system, a lawyer can't continue his case for a client who died while in prison.
Richard Turbin is a lawyer who specializes in prison medical malpractice cases. In his current case, he has been waiting on medical records for an inmate who died from dehydration. The inmate had died about a year and a half ago.
We have not yet made the claim with the Hawaii State Medical Inquiry Conciliation Panel, which you have to do that in 2 years or the case dies. But to do that, we need to have the medical records so we can explain to the judge and the doctor who was on the medical inquiry panel what happened. So we're in fact getting checkmated, from preserving the rights of our client.
Turbin says if they can't get medical records soon, the inmate loses his right to have a lawsuit heard. Turbin says if the EMR systems are having issues, having written records can result in errors in patient records.
If prison employees, are doing medical records by hand, it's rather easy to have it disseminated to people who should get those records, because under the Hawaii Constitution, a person's medical records are private unless either a court orders their release or the patient authorizes that the medical records be released to a party they wish it released to.
Since August of 2022, the EMR systems have broken down 2 times. It took 2 months before the system was reported to be down and to be fixed. The latest update was reported in March of this year. The commissioner said the system was operational, but there were still bug issues and corrupted tables within the system. Turbin says he's been waiting for medical records for his case since March.
Since these individuals are in close quarters and you don't know what disease or ailments or issues are out there, it's good to have on record the health information of these individuals so that the state and the county is in a position to react and respond immediately and correctly when a situation or a healthcare issue does occur.
The EMR system is needed to provide consistent health coverage across multiple providers. It ensures that medications are appropriately administered and documented for the patient's health. This is especially important when inmates are being transferred to other facilities. The Department of Public Safety says the system should have been operational since February, and they're looking to replace the current system with a newer and more advanced one. Ariel Argel, KITV4 Island News.